So today in beautiful windy Wyoming, the hill farm truck, after what, 18 years, 19 years, almost 19 years, decided to quit on the glow plugs. And I don't know, one of them's been out for a while. I've just been kind of doing other things. It's been pretty low on the list, but I don't even want to start up for the most part this winter, so I'm gonna replace those today. Figured if I'm gonna do one, I may as well do all 8, right? So first thing, if you've got one of these little plastic clip remover tools, comes pretty handy. But on this LLY 2005, getting to them, easiest thing to do is pull out this plastic fender liner, and as you can see, there are some connections on the back of it. If you don't put those back when you're done, they'll just kind of flop around, temperature sensor and stuff like that. So pull those off and get to the glow plugs. So with the fender liner out, there's a glow plug there. Let's see another one back there. Can't really. Yeah, there it is. This is kind of hard. I'm not used to being a cameraman. There's another one there, and then do one more tuck back in there. So basically, just take that first nut off, pull that wire off of there, and then back the glow plug out. And hopefully, they all break loose without any issue. That would be a good thing. Okay, so the first one actually was pretty loose, but just a little disclaimer here before I take this one off. Make sure you back it off, and then to where it's finger loose, and then take it off by hand. Because if you drop these, they're pretty small. These little serrated flange nuts are gonna end up somewhere you ain't gonna find it. So pull that off. Pull the wire off, and then we'll go after this glow plug. I should have mentioned at the beginning, so at least on this model, the outer nut is an 8mm, and then the actual glow plug is a 12. And I don't have any short non-impact sockets with me right now, so I'm using longer impact, but they should, like I said, hopefully break loose pretty easy and come right out. And as you can see, not the best camera, it is pretty fouled up. So I might say that might be worth something someday. Put it on my wall at Duramax parts or something, right? Man cave dreams, right? So yeah, throw the new one in and reconnect it. So this is the new glow plug. That is the AC Delco part number if you're curious for this model, but obviously you can find what you need. This dog is my best friend. Tack, come here. Say hi, Tack. There's Tack. Oh, hey, Tack. This dog goes everywhere I go. He's a good boy. Okay, and then for the last one, I actually ended up splitting the steering shaft. You just need a 15mm socket, and the nut on the back actually has a tab on it, so you don't even have to get a wrench back there. It'll hold itself. Otherwise, I mean, you can get like a ratcheting wrench in there to get all that off, but at least on this truck there was no room to actually pull that glow plug out. So make your life a lot easier. Just take that off from the beginning. I told you this dog was my best friend, and he just came out of a bean field with a natty light. What you got, Tack? Natter days? Kind of the same process on the passenger side, and if you thought the driver's side was easy, then the passenger side will be even better for you. Let's see, they're pretty easy to get to, and if you really want room, just take that cold side pipe off and get right to them. But yeah, these aren't too bad at all.